The Beaver DHC-2 is a single-engine, high-wing, short takeoff and landing STOL aircraft. Dynam has replicated the Beaver DHC-2 float plane into this beautiful EPO model, featuring plenty of scale details. It is an amphibious aircraft that comes with essential electronics installed. The Detrum powerful BM3720-650KV, brushless outrunner motor, TomCat Skylord-50A ESC, servos, and most linkages are pre-installed from the Dynam factory. With the included floats, you can take off in land or water. The Dynam DHC-2 Beaver V2 Red is an exceptional model float plane that will surely please intermediate and experienced hobbyists alike. Its powerful Detrum motor and advanced flight controls make it easy to maneuver, while its realistic features and attention to detail make it a joy. Whether you're looking to take to the skies for a leisurely flight or to engage in competitive aerobatics, the Dynam DHC-2 Beaver V2 Red remote-controlled seaplane is a great choice.
I tapped on your window on your darkest night. The shape of you was jagged and weak. There was nowhere for me to stay, but I stayed.